Hey guys, just want to talk about living out of our heart, knowing out of our heart, being out of our heart, thinking out of our heart, just knowing everyone, knowing ourselves out of our heart, through our heart, in our heart. We are a heart. We're all a love heart. So many hearts, all in one heart. And we know each other through our heart. It's an intimate knowing. We're all within each other's heart. Science is even showing this. You can see light emanating from people's hearts. Invisible light that we can't see with our naked eyes. Our heart is a heart of light. Our heart is a heart of love. Our heart has 40,000 neurons in it. Our heart gives 10 times more signals to our brain than our brain gives to our heart. Our heart and our brain are connected. Our brain, our mind, our thoughts, and our head aren't meant to rule over our intimate knowing of ourselves, of God, of everyone. It's not meant to rule over our heart. Our heart is meant to rule over our mind. And it's not something that we think about happening. It just is. We're just experiencing this intimate knowing. It's an intimate knowing. We live life through intimacy, just by being. And our mind naturally, is equipped by God, is designed by God to flow together with our heart, our intimate knowing through them. Knowing everything through their heart, through our heart, through everyone's heart, one as being one. Everyone has a distinct flavor too in their heart. And we're all sweet, we're all gentle, we're all kind. We're all amazing, precious, beloved, in love, lovers. Loving each other intimately. And we can connect to one another intimately through knowing one another's heart, knowing one another's flavor. We feel it. We feel this. We actually feel. Like this is really important to know. It's like we feel one another. We feel God. We feel one another in our hearts. In our hearts. And even through a whole being, we're all connected. In all of us, we're a whole being, a whole one love with the Trinity and with ourselves, with one another. With all things, with all animals, with all creation. Thank you, Abba, Jesus, Holy Spirit. Yeah. There's so much bliss. There's so much ecstasy. There's so much new wine. There's so much fun. It's fun. We know everything. Everything's become so light and alive and beautiful. Everything's so beautiful. We're like a little child just dancing around, playing with our Trinity and everyone and everything. Where we're all connected in our hearts. Our hearts are all within one another. Playing the same song, playing the same tune. We're all like different instruments that the Trinity's playing. The Trinity of love, their love hearts and our love hearts. Like one recipe they're mixing. Yeah, we all know this tune. We all know each other's flavors. We all know each other in heaven, on earth, united in the person of Jesus and his love heart, his burning love heart. His sweet burning love heart and your sweet burning love hearts. I love you guys. Feel my heart. Feeling yours right now. You're loved. See you, love hearts. I'm seeing you right now forever.